traitor will be paid in a millionfold for his treachery against his own people. Every traitor. Nnamdi Kanu should not be a problem. Nnamdi Kanu is in the struggle. It's in the struggle for liberation of his people. First of all, for liberation of himself and liberation of his people. And people have chosen to follow him. If you are not following him, just keep quiet and go and do your own. Let it not be an issue for you. Because see, you are not an issue for him. But you come in and become. Why? Who knows that Nnamdi Kanu will come? Nobody knows. I didn't know, you didn't know. But the Buhari, they created Nnamdi Kanu. Buhari is not the most strongest human being on earth. We have seen so many people. Where it will go? Where it will go? Apartheid system, where it fall? Where is the British Empire? Where is the Soviet Union? Where is the Roman Empire? We don't see a lot of things. Nnamdi Kanu, whether they bow for him or they don't bow for him, it's none of your business. Because if you are talking, if you have sense, if you talk about Nnamdi Kanu, we go talk when they may bow down for one man called Onu, when they bow down for one man called Suta, when they bow down for that thing they call Buhari. That they brought from Mama. You don't talk all those Nnamdi Kanu might be a problem. Nnamdi Kanu is on a cause that will bring salvation, independence, freedom, and dignity back to our people. If you don't agree with him, just keep quiet. Because very soon you will come. We are marking all of you. We are marking all of you. All of you who think that by trading with us, by being Efulefu, you are going to gain. Whether you are a Tokweo, you are Hausa Kweo, whatever you call yourself, be talking. You say you are intellectual. I don't see anything intellectual about you. If you want to debate, I am ready to debate with you on all issues. And you tell me why Lagos is better. Let them have a level playing field and let all the companies return to where they are. Whether Lagos will be what it is. Lagos is like a sucking blood, a Dracula sucking on the blood of the people of the South and the Southeast. But you are talking about Lagos. What does Lagos have? You are talking about Lagos sucking on our blood. Instead of our political leaders to stand up and be firm and say, you don't get no certificate of occupancy for you. If you don't bring your headquarters, no, revoke, when we say land use act is in the hands of people, revoke all the certificate of occupancy of these companies. And tell them, and then there will be a collision between this evil government in Abuja and the government in Port Harcourt, the government in Yoruba, the government in Asaba, the government in Ido, the government in Owerri. Revoke all the certificate of occupancy of their flow station. Revoke all the certificate of occupancy of everything. If they don't come back, if those of you who are doing, who believe in Nigeria, do that first. Instead of coming to talk. When you do that, they will sit down. There will be constitutional crisis. They cannot arrest you. The House of Assembly should pass law revoking and let the people occupy their place. Nnamdi Kanu should not be a problem. Nnamdi Kanu has shown the way. He's a woman being, and what he has done, there is no living Igbo man, dead or alive, that has done as much as what Nnamdi Kanu has done in these 2 years. And those of us who appreciate it will continue to appreciate it. Not because he will give us anything or anything. He has nothing to give us. But we know that what he is doing, the benefit of it, will not only be for us, but it will be for all of us. And will benefit immensely, including you, your children, with all the sabotage, all the tongues you are putting on the way. Nnamdi Kanu is a man to be respected.